devil's alive. Look in her eye, take me away from my home and my life. Her hand on my chest, my hand on her hips. The devil looks at me and locks with my lips. Fall into a trance as she takes me away. One more final dance as I wither, decay. The succubus takes me, fall into her trap. The nectar is sweet and so sticky like sap. Got nowhere to go as the spider draws near. There's nothing I can do to get out of here. My time's running out and my candle is short. Still something in me says that I want more. A million roses, a million roses, a million roses. She says unto me, your fear won't last long if you only believe. The vampire takes me away by my hand, buries me deep with my head in the sand. This deafening silence is starting to ring. The voices of demons are starting to sing. I've made my choice and I'm not going back. My eyes are sunken and the sky is black. I'm here for I say to myself, the night's only started, my life left in hell. The devil's my angel, her lips are so sweet. Take me away to a draconian dream. A million roses, a million roses, a million roses. The devil's alive, look in her eye. Take me away from my home and my life. With her hand on my chest, my hand on her hips. The devil looks at me and locks with my lips.